Windsor Superdome looking beautiful tonight. Love this view from the Hyatt Regency. We're talking football, folks. First, starting with Tulane. And the reason I'm starting with Tulane, even though it is out of town over in Manhattan, Kansas, they've got the risk for some strong storms late in the afternoon. So I wanted to give you that heads up. Meanwhile, Mississippi State versus LSU. You know, I went to both of them, right? But LSU through and through. In the afternoon, it's hot, low 90s, isolated shower possible, but not likely. Game time, you're in the upper 80s, so it's going to be warm. And then Blue Devils versus the Lions over at Strawberry Stadium. Hot day, high temperatures near 90. Isolated rain possible, but your better chance is going to be on the South Shore and then for the Saints. So there is a slight chance of rain again. I think it's going to be mainly closer to the coast. Just keep an eye to the sky. It's going to be hot in the upper 80s, but looking really good in the Superdome. So let's check out your forecast. Into the morning hours, sure, an isolated shower, especially along the coast. And notice it's moving to the west, so be aware you could have some isolated rain. The better chance along the coast. Highs upper 80s to near 90, and at times a decent storm possible along the coast. Then into the morning, this is Sunday, low 70s to near 80. I know, not as cool. And as you go through the day, do look right here. This is noontime. The rain is over by Laplace at south of the city, but I think you're looking okay at the Superdome. And then you get activity, St. Mary Parish over towards Houma and Galliano. So again, some rain around with your highs upper 80s to the low 90s. All right, here's Fiona. It's now 55 miles west-northwest of Guadalupe. It looks like it's right over Montserrat. The concern is really the Dominican Republic. Here, the winds are going to get up to 70 right before landfall. It's slowing down, so it's going to be over the DR for about 24 hours. That means heavy rain. Here we are. We're looking at the system. There's Montserrat right there, and it looks like it's right over it. I want you to notice how the convection has now developed around the system. Reconnaissance is in there right now. The pressure's gone up. It's been over land, did drop to 1,002 millibars, and there the dry air really on the west side. You've got it on the north side. You can see some feathering of these clouds too. So, I mean, still lots of dry air around it, but we do have warm water. Forecast to become a Cat 1 hurricane, but that is in the Atlantic, and it's really looking like it's staying away from the U.S. So it's like, thank you. We can check out those forecast models. Even the Canadian model, which was farther to the west, has now moved more to the east. We can look at the global forecast ensemble, bringing it right over the Dominican Republic and then taking it to the north, possibly kind of close to Bermuda. Here a look at the European, and it's changed too. Remember, yesterday had it over by Florida. Now it's moving it off into the Atlantic. So warmer with increasing humidity, some rain around this weekend, mostly sunny, hot and dry. And there you can see this little trough, old frontal boundary, that's going to help us keep Fiona away. So high temperatures tomorrow near 90 for your Sunday, upper 80s to near 90. And next week is going to be hot and you're going, but wait, it's going to be fall. Yep, high of 93.